Let's get right into the video, guys. This actually works. It's super crazy, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this method. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Video Star like Pro for free. So this will give you all the packs. So as you can see, guys, you get all these settings. So I'm going to turn it on because I have developer mode lifetime for free. So as you can see, it says contacting store. So let's see if it works. And it says dev mode activated, all pro features unlocked for lifetime. Look at all this stuff I got. That's crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this Video Star mod. So the first step is going to be going onto tweakmod.com. So as you can see, there's all these modded apps on here. So just type in Video Star, press install, and before it downloads, is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, we just need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free to do from official app store, and this will install the Video Star mod into your phone, and then you will have Video Star Pro for free. All those pro features unlocked, guys. So it is super cool. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it do its thing. So I don't really do videos like this anymore, but I had to share this one because it actually does work. So I thought I would let you guys know about it. So as you can see, guys, we're at the last step where it says missing files. So we just need to download 2 of these apps and complete the verification. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got the Family Island, which says reach level 11. It's a game. So you can do any of these, guys. It doesn't matter, but make sure you do 2 of them. Then you will get Video Star Pro for free, guys. So it's super cool. So that's the website, tweakmod.com. So be sure to try us out. I hope you guys enjoy the video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if this video works, you guys definitely share it so more people can find out about it. But yeah, this is super awesome. I'm going to see you guys in another video myself, and peace out, brotherhood.